Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'll take you on a fascinating tour through the center of Sydney, Australia. But before we delve into this experience, let me share some interesting facts about this incredible tourist destination. Sydney, the city of iconic beaches and the famous Sydney Opera House, is a place full of charm and diversity. Its location on the east coast of Australia makes it an unmissable tourist landmark. This vibrant metropolis is not only famous for its iconic landmarks, but also for its rich history and unique cultural blend. Speaking of location, Sydney is situated on the southeast coast of Australia, along the shores of the stunning Sydney Harbour. This harbour is one of the world's largest natural harbours and has played a crucial role in the history and development of the city. Now, let's dive into the history of Sydney. The history of this city dates back to the early 19th century when it was founded by British settlers as a penal colony in 1788. Since then, Sydney has experienced steady growth and transformed into the vibrant city we know today. One of the most interesting fun facts about Sydney is that it was the site of the first British penal colony in Australia. Many of the early settlers were deported convicts who arrived in Sydney Cove on ships. As the city grew, the influence of different cultures became evident, shaping the diversity that characterizes Sydney today. But why is Sydney so popular as a tourist destination? The answer lies in its unique combination of natural beauty, historical heritage, and modernity. The world-famous beaches of Sydney, such as Bondi Beach and Manly Beach, attract surfers and sun lovers from around the globe. Additionally, the iconic Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge are internationally recognized symbols that draw millions of visitors each year. The blend of old and new in downtown Sydney is particularly fascinating. While strolling through the streets, you encounter a variety of architectures, from historic buildings to modern skyscrapers. The shopping district is filled with all kinds of stores, from elegant boutiques to vibrant street markets. Sydney is also known for its diverse culinary scene. In the city center, you can find restaurants serving dishes from all around the world, from Asian delights to European flavors. The city's cafes and bars offer not only delicious food but also a cultural experience. As we wander through the center of Sydney, it's impossible not to feel the energy and vibrancy emanating from its streets. Street performers, cultural events, and lively nightlife contribute to the unique atmosphere of this city. Moreover, the friendly and welcoming people make visitors feel right at home. Near downtown Sydney, there are numerous popular tourist attractions that offer a mix of history, culture, and stunning views. Here are some must-visit places. Sydney Opera House, one of the most iconic landmarks globally, the Sydney Opera House is a masterpiece of modern architecture. Take a guided tour to learn about its history and design, or catch a performance for an unforgettable experience. Sydney Harbour Bridge. For panoramic views of the city and harbour, consider walking or cycling across the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Adventurous visitors can even participate in the bridge climb for a unique perspective. Circular Quay. This bustling transport hub is a gateway to many attractions. Enjoy the vibrant atmosphere, dine at waterfront restaurants, and catch a ferry to explore other parts of Sydney. Royal Botanic Garden. Located adjacent to the Sydney Opera House, the Royal Botanic Garden is a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. Stroll through lush gardens, discover native and exotic plant species, and enjoy scenic views of the harbour. The Rocks, a historic area with cobblestone streets and charming architecture, The Rocks is known for its markets, pubs, and art galleries. Explore the area's history at the Rocks Discovery Museum and enjoy the vibrant street performances. Museum of Contemporary Art Australia, MCA, situated near Circular Quay, the MCA showcases contemporary Australian and international art. Admission is free to most exhibits, providing a cultural experience with stunning harbour views. Art Gallery of New South Wales. Located in the Domain, this art gallery houses an impressive collection of Australian, European, and Asian art. Entry is free to the general exhibits, making it an accessible cultural destination. Hyde Park. Sydney's oldest public park, Hyde Park offers a peaceful retreat in the city. Enjoy the greenery, visit the Archibald Fountain, and explore the various monuments and statues scattered throughout. Taronga Zoo. While not directly in the downtown area, Taronga Zoo is easily accessible by ferry from Circular Quay. This renowned zoo offers unique animal encounters and stunning views of the Sydney skyline. Darling Harbour. Just a short walk from downtown, Darling Harbour is a waterfront destination with attractions like SEA Life Sydney Aquarium, Wildlife Sydney Zoo, and the Australian National Maritime Museum. It's a vibrant area with dining, entertainment, and family-friendly activities. These attractions near downtown Sydney provide a diverse range of experiences, from cultural enrichment to breathtaking views of the harbor. Whether you're interested in history, art, or simply enjoying the beauty of the city, there's something for everyone in these iconic locations. Sydney is a melting pot of diverse cultures, and its culinary scene reflects this rich tapestry. Here are some popular street food and traditional dishes you must try in Sydney. Street food. Meat pies, a classic Australian snack. Meat pies are flaky pastries filled with savory minced meat, often served with tomato sauce. You can find them in bakeries and cafes throughout the city. Sausage rolls, another Aussie favorite. Sausage rolls consist of seasoned sausage meat wrapped in flaky pastry. They are a delicious and convenient on-the-go snack. Kebabs. Late-night kebab stands are scattered across Sydney, offering a variety of grilled meats, fresh veggies, and flavorful sauces wrapped in warm flatbread. Gosling. This Turkish delight is a thin pastry filled with ingredients like cheese, spinach, and minced meat, cooked on a griddle. It's a popular street food choice for a quick and satisfying bite. Banh mi. Sydney's Vietnamese community has brought the beloved banh mi to the streets. These Vietnamese baguettes are filled with a fusion of ingredients like grilled meats, pickled vegetables, and herbs. Dumplings. Visit Sydney's Chinatown for a delightful array of dumplings, steamed or pan-fried, filled with pork, chicken, or vegetables. Dumpling houses offer a variety of dipping sauces to enhance the flavors. Traditional food. Aussie barbecue. Experience a traditional Australian barbecue with a variety of meats, including sausages, burgers, and steaks, usually served with salads and sauces. Many parks and outdoor spaces have public barbecue facilities. Pavlova, a quintessential Aussie dessert. Pavlova is a meringue-based treat topped with whipped cream and fresh fruits. It's a sweet and light way to end a meal. Lamingtons. These sponge cake squares coated in chocolate icing and desiccated coconut are a beloved Australian treat, perfect with a cup of coffee or tea. Barramundi. As a coastal city, Sydney offers delicious seafood, and barramundi is a popular choice. This white-fleshed fish is often grilled, pan-fried, or baked and served with various accompaniments. Tim Tam Slam. While not a traditional dish, Tim Tams are an iconic Australian chocolate biscuit. Try the Tim Tam Slam by biting off opposite corners and using it as a straw for your coffee or hot chocolate. Kangaroo. For those seeking a unique culinary experience, some restaurants offer kangaroo meat dishes. It's lean and flavorful, often served as steaks or in pies. Exploring Sydney's street food and traditional dishes allows you to savor the city's cultural diversity and culinary creativity. From savory pies to sweet treats, Sydney has a variety of flavors waiting to be discovered. In summary, Sydney is much more than its breathtaking scenery and famous landmarks. It's a city full of history, culture, and diversity, with something for every type of traveler. Before we say goodbye, I want to ask you to share and comment on this video. What did you think of our stroll through the center of Sydney? Is there anything that surprised you, or that you would like to explore further? I look forward to reading your comments and seeing you in the next video. Until next time, explorers.